Now, here's an interesting question. How do you trick your brain into attracting success to you? Sounds odd. How do you trick your brain? How do you trick your own mind? Well, guess what? There is a way, and it's proven by science. And I want to share it with you. This is a mind hack. This is a brain shortcut. This is a way to speed up the law of attraction. And it's a way to trick your own mind to bring success to you at an accelerated rate. So what am I talking about here? All right, first of all, think back to the last time you had a disturbing dream. Maybe you woke up and you were scared. Maybe you were sweating. Maybe your heart was racing. And for a moment, you didn't know what was real. And then you had to reflect and you thought, oh, I was having a nightmare. I was having a dream. Why didn't your brain know the difference between reality and the imagined dream state? It's because there's a loophole in your mind. Your mind cannot tell the difference between reality and imagination. Now, this is good. It is something you can leverage and use on your behalf. So what you do to trick your mind to bring success to you is to imagine success is already real. Spend some time visualizing with feeling that you have the success you've been longing for. You see, too many people put it off in the distance. I'm going to be successful one day. And they write affirmations, I am successful. But they don't actually visualize being a success now. When you pretend you're a success right now and you really get into the embodiment of it, and you actually do what I sometimes call feel it real, or you nebulize the experience so it feels like it just happened, you bypass the part of your brain that is critical and is judgmental, and that could stop it from happening. You bypass that part of the brain and you move into this little secret door, if you will. This is how you trick yourself into attracting the success you want. You trick your mind into bringing the success because your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. When you imagine to such a degree that it feels like it is reality, your brain assumes, oh, that's reality. We need to go make it now. And it will begin to put you in situations or give you inspirations that you need to take inspired action on. Because at that point, it'll begin to mold itself through what you do into concrete reality. So the next time you're thinking about success, don't just think about it, but imagine you already have it and are experiencing it, and do it with all the feeling that you can bring into the reality of this moment and feel it into existence. This is the way to trick your mind into creating the reality you want to attract. And then expect miracles.